How to disable screen going to sleep mode. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to go to your search bar and type in settings. Now you want to tap on settings to open it up, and now you want to go back to the first option which says systems and tap on it. Now scroll over to where you see power and sleep, and you want to go ahead and tap on it. Now you want to go over to where you see sleep, and then you want to locate on battery power. PC goes to sleep after. You want to locate the drop down on this and click on it. Now you are going to be tapping on never, then go to the second option that says when PC plugged in it goes to sleep after. You want to click on the drop down and also go to never and tap on it. And guys, this is how to disable screen going to sleep mode. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.